Now that we've discussed the apparatus in diagram form, I'd like to relate the various pieces of the instrument to the actual setup photographed here. First, there is the mask. We use a disposable mask with an adjustable air seal. The seal is adjusted with the valve here using a syringe. The intent of the seal is to form a close fit around the facial contours, thereby preventing any breath loss. Some users may prefer to use a mouthpiece. The mask or mouthpiece is connected to the PTAC via a small adapter. The PTAC is the device used to measure the breath flow. It does this by measuring the small differential pressure created across the screen as the breath emerges to atmosphere. The small adapter has a lure connector to which the sample line is attached. The sample line consists of the Nafion piece, the particulate filter, and a small piece of tubing connected to the gas in on the S147. The second larger piece of tubing, which is attached to the end of the PTAC, carries the differential pressure signal down to the PTAC input, where it will be measured to provide a measure of breath flow. The S147 is really the heart of the system and houses the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and differential pressure sensors, as well as the pump and other electronics. On the front of the S147 you'll notice several controls. There's a power switch, a pump switch, and a pump speed control. Also, there are several adjustments that I'll discuss more when we get to the section on calibration. These adjustments for zero and span for carbon dioxide, oxygen, and PTAC are used, as I said earlier, in calibration. The analog signals coming out the back of the S147 are carried by the 3 data cables into channels 1, 2, and 3 of the Lab Pro interface. The 4th channel is connected to the wireless heart rate receiver, which should be placed within 1 meter of the transmitter worn as a chest belt. The 2 sensors on the inside of the chest belt should be wetted with saline solution to make good skin contact. The rotometer or flow meter is connected to the sample vent at the back of the S147, with the line going into the bottom of the rotometer. This allows us to monitor the sample flow, which should be 300 mils per minute. If not, the pump speed can be adjusted by the pump speed control to make the flow 300 mils per minute. The Lab Pro interface has to be powered and also connected to the computer via a USB cable. And of course, in the computer is the software used for data analysis.